anyway?
Yeah,
Then why didn't you do it?
because I reset my Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay. Because I had to turn authentication on and everything. Like, who the fuck is this? You know?
So, like, who the fuck is this? Like, I don't watch TV.
I don't know.
Star Wars or
Something
whatever.
like that. Yeah.
That's me, of course. So yeah, thank you, Haystack. And I don't like to play the victim.
Or Sabbie does. I've never done anything to Lock. I've actually called Sabbie to see how her and Lock have been doing it like a few times because they're not around on panels and shit. So I mean, I'm definitely not talking shit about either of them.
Scamula is not a good person.